Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as I've been posting over the last year or two, back in 2024, hardware manufacturers released new Windows 11 devices that include a dedicated Copilot key that basically provides quick access to Copilot in Windows, mainly on Copilot Plus PCs that have a dedicated NPU, neural processing unit, for those heavier AI tasks. And this button was met with a lot of mixed reaction. I found that you either liked it or you didn't. And I found from the comments on this channel that most didn't understand why Microsoft was including the Copilot key, which replaced the Right Ctrl key, as you can see, or context menu key on select devices. Now, currently in the stable version of Windows 11, if we quickly head into our settings, and we head to Bluetooth and devices, keyboard, you can customize the Copilot key if you have one. I don't on this device, but if you do, you can choose what happens when you press the Copilot key. You can have Copilot, which is default, search, or you can create a custom, you can select an app. Okay, you've only got two in this case, so quite limited in its functionality. Now this is all set to change. Now, Microsoft says customers who rely on the Right Ctrl key or context menu key for keyboard shortcuts or assistive technologies such as screen readers experience some challenges to their workflows when using these devices. I personally don't think it was only just those customers, but nonetheless, that's according to Microsoft. Now, because of this, Microsoft says it's going to be rolling out a solution where Microsoft says it's committed to enabling customers to select options for how the Copilot key functions. So a Windows 11 update will ship later this year that will add a setting option to let you remap the Copilot key to act as the context menu key or Right Ctrl key. When available, you can find this setting, as mentioned, in Settings, Bluetooth and Devices keyboard on this page. So I'm sure it'll be part of this section here. So baby steps, but at least we are seeing improvements due to user feedback and Microsoft trying to fix so-called pain points, as I've been talking about, to fixing Windows 11 and making Windows 11 better this year in 2026 as part of its wider K2 effort and initiative, as we have been talking about on the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.